Your Highness, Excellencies, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. As a Director General of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization and co-chair of the first Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit, I would like to warmly welcome all the delegates. It is really gratifying in the midst of the very prominent leaders and the industry experts who are shaping the world of manufacturing. I thank the government of the United Arab Emirates for the hosting of this important event, very first one for the global manufacturing, especially to His Excellency Sultan bin Said Al Mansouri, my very good colleague, co-chair, for his strong and continued support to UNIDO and immense trust he has placed on us, and also very well represent the government of UAE for supporting the GMIS. As you may all know, the September 2015, the governments of the world adopted the 2030 Development Agenda, contains 17 goals. One of the goals, SDG Goal 9, is inclusive and sustainable industrialization, innovation, and infrastructure. Now we are gathering here to discuss the industrialization, actually, which is a fundamental driver for growth and development. Industry continues to be a foundation of a strong economic system. Manufacturing is responsible for around 80% of global trading volumes, and more than 16% of the gross world product. And every one job created in manufacturing creates 2.2 jobs in other sectors. A staggering 77% of global research and development work is financed by the industrial companies. So I'm very, very happy that also excited with GMIS, because it will allow the international community connected to fundamental challenges faced by manufacturing with transnational transformational ideas that will make possible sustained industrialization and achieving SDGs. Ladies and gentlemen, I also would like to mention that a new industrial revolution here, the advances of new technologies, robotics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, mobile connectivity have shown the modern technologies that have power to transform every aspect of business and shape the future. This is a very big challenge for all the advanced countries and also developing countries as well. So now it's very important gathering here. The first Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit will give us an opportunity for us to share, to learn, to transform those advanced technologies among countries and to beat the challenge facing by all of us. So distinguished guests and colleagues, let me also emphasize the importance of partnership. The partnership is very important for this global manufacturing. And no matter it's a country or it's a company or it's a civil society, the partnership working together, sharing best practices, transfer of the advanced technology is so important for all of us to meet the challenge facing by all of us. So I really would like to emphasize this is a very good place for our partnership. And colleagues, friends, I really would like to mention one issue here is this country with a leadership, visionary leadership, and they create a high technology industry. They focus on the job creation for youth. They focusing on the promotion of SMEs. And this is a very important initiative, GMIS, for this country to demonstrate the leadership in the areas of future manufacturing. And there's a saying, that if you would like to do a work in 10 years, train people. If you would like to do something for 100 years, you just plant tree. If you would like to build something for generation and set up a thought, that will be very important for international community. I think the GMIS will play this kind of role, colleagues, friends, and this will lead us to new thought, moving ahead with sustainability of global economic growth through the modern manufacturing, new ways of manufacturing. The vision will start from here for modern manufacturing. Thank you very much.